Hello. Welcome to another Moosend tutorial. In this video, you will learn two things: how to create your first mailing list and how to create custom fields. Custom fields represent various subscriber information about your end users that you can collect through your online marketing campaigns. This could be their name, gender, and birthday, or the device they are using. All this information will be later used for your various campaigns, to help you create highly personalized newsletters and offer a fully customized experience for every subscriber. So let's see how you can create your first mailing list from scratch. On your Moosend account, click on the Mailing Lists button. New Text, click on the Create New List button. Fill in the mailing list name field with the name of your choice. Click on the Save button. Your first mailing list is ready to be filled with subscribers. Keep in mind that when you connect your website with Moosend, a new mailing list is created automatically anyways. For now, let's see how to create different custom fields in your mailing list. You sure are going to need this once your business starts growing. The name and email address are default fields that already exist, but you can also create any other custom field and fill it with the information you have already collected from your subscribers. Creating them is very easy. Go back to your dashboard and click on the Mailing Lists button. Then, select the list you want to add new custom fields to. Click on the Custom Fields tab on the menu that appears. Click on the Add New Custom Field button. Fill in the name that you want your new field to have. Select the data type of your new custom field from the drop-down menu. You can choose any of the options available: text, number, date time, single select drop-down, and checkbox. Click on the Save Custom Field button to create the custom field. Your custom field is ready for you to use. Remember that you can edit or delete any of the custom fields you created by clicking on the pencil button, or the X in the Actions column. That's it. You just created a perfect mailing list.